Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel One and Only Pharmacy. So friends, in this video we are discuss about ophthalmic products chapter subject pharmaceutics second D pharmacy second year. So friends, please watch this video till the end. Let's start. Ophthalmic products. A definition of ophthalmic products. These are the products which are to be instilled into the eye in the space between the eyelids and eyeballs. These are the products which are to be instilled into the eye in the space between the eyelids and eyeballs. This is the simple definition of ophthalmic products. Types of ophthalmic products. First, eye drops, eye lotions or eye washes, eye ointments, eye suspensions, contact lens solution, etc. These are the types of ophthalmic products. Eye drops. A definition of eye drops. Eye drops are sterile, aqueous, or oily solutions or suspensions for instillation into the eye. Eye drops are sterile, aqueous, or oily solutions or suspensions for instillation into the eye. Ideal qualities of eye drops: they should be sterile, they should be free from foreign particles, they should be isotonic with lacrimal secretions, they should be chemically stable. They usually contain substances having antiseptic, anesthetic, mydriatic, and miotic properties. These are the ideal qualities of eye drops. Means eye drops should be following properties must fulfill. Requirements of container and labeling condition for eye drops. Container conditions: eye drops are packed in small volume container, that is 5 to 10 ml. Eye drops container is colorless or amber colored. Small volume, narrow mouth glass bottle with the dropper in the pack. These are the container conditions of eye drops. The container of eye drops should have following properties. It should comply with test for alkalinity of glass. It should protect light sensitive drugs. It should have satisfactory sealing properties. These are the properties of eye drops container. Next point, label conditions for eye drops. In exam, it is a very main questions asked in every exam. Write down the label conditions for eye drops. First, for external use only, use the solution within 1 month after opening the container. If irritation persists, discontinue the use and consult the physician. Do not touch the tip of a dropper since it may contaminate the solution and not for injection. These are the label conditions for eye drops. Method of preparation of eye drops. These are the three methods of preparation of eye drops. First, dissolution of drug in suitable sterile solvent. A transfer of solution into a sterile container solvent. Sterilization of final container. These are the methods of preparation of eye drops. Additives used in eye drops. There are 6 additives or excipients used in eye drops. First, vehicles, preservative, buffering agent, a thickening agent, antioxidants, and tonicity contributor. These are the additives used in eye drops. First, vehicles. It contains aqueous vehicles such as sterile water for injection IP or oily vehicles such as sterile oils. Second, preservatives. It contains preservatives to prevent microbial growth. Example of preservatives: benzalkonium chloride 0.01%, phenyl mercuric nitrate or acetate 0.002%. These are the examples of preservative. Third, buffering agents to maintain suitable pH stability. Example of buffering agents: boric acid solution pH about 5, phosphate buffer pH about 5.9 to 8. These are the example of buffering agents. Fourth, thickening agents to maintain acceptable viscosity. Example, methyl cellulose. Antioxidants to prevent oxidation of product. Example, sodium bisulfate. 6 point means 6 additives or 6 excipient. Tonicity modifier to maintain isotonicity. Example, sodium chloride solution. Next point, eye lotions. What is eye lotions? Eye lotions are sterile, dilute, or concentrated aqueous solutions of medicament used for washing of the eye or wetting of the eye. These are the definitions of eye lotions. Eye lotions are usually applied to eye by means of eye bath. They are dispensed in concentrated form and should be diluted with warm water before use. They should be prepared freshly and should not be stored for more than 2 to 3 days, as they may contaminate with microorganisms on prolonged storage. Thank you guys for watching full video. Friends, if you're new on this channel, so please do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for pharmacy related daily updates. Let's see from start to end what we see in today's lecture. Definition of ophthalmic products, ideal qualities of ophthalmic products. Ophthalmic products, these are the products which are to be instilled into the eye in the space between the eyelids and eyeballs. Example of ophthalmic products or types of ophthalmic products: eye drops, eye lotions or eye washes, eye ointments, eye suspensions, and contact lens solution. Eye drops, ideal qualities of eye drops, requirement of container and labeling condition for eye drops. Label conditions for eye drops. This is very main important topic about this chapter. Label conditions for eye drops. Method of preparation of eye drops. Additives used in eye drops. There are 6 types of additives or excipients used in eye drops: vehicles, preservatives, buffering agents, thickening agents, antioxidants, tonicity modifier, eye lotions, etc. Thank you guys.